And a bit of good news here. Excuse me, the smoke from the wildfires burning to our west, or wildfire burning to our west, no longer a big issue for us here in Kern. Air quality not impacted. The bigger issue, actually, is that we're going to be heating up significantly over the next couple of days. Let's take a look at the national map here, and you can see the hottest weather, as it often is, just to our east. So 98 degrees, the high temperature in Bakersfield today, but we've got some more serious heat built in the desert southwest. 109 in Las Vegas, 112 in Phoenix. There's a very hot air mass that is centered right in that area. You can see that. That's a big ridge of high pressure, very typical of Four Corners high that develops this time of year. The issue with that is it's going to begin to shift off to the west, which means it's going to move our way as we head through the week. And as that gets closer and closer, our temperatures are going to get hotter and hotter. And we're going to see that from east to west. So already early this week, eastern Kern is going to see some hot temperatures, but eventually that's going to catch up to us here in the valley as well. Through the night tonight, actually, we can kind of already see that trend. If you look at the western half, or maybe western 2/3 of the county here, overnight lows pretty typical. But look at the desert. Places like China Lake and Ridgecrest only fall to about 75 overnight, so definitely hot there, and definitely hot tomorrow afternoon. Indian Wells Valley in the vicinity of about 110. Even Cal City about 105 tomorrow. Here in Bakersfield, we're probably not even going to break into the triple digits, excuse me. So much hotter over in the desert. Even places like the Kern River Valley could very well be close to 100 degrees as they were today. But again, here in Bakersfield, eventually we're going to catch up to at least some of that heat. With the difference in temperatures, we're also going to see some gusty winds over in the desert. Peak wind gusts there, 30 to even 40 miles per hour. So both hot and windy in the desert for tomorrow. And we'll see that hot weather soon enough here in Bakersfield. But nothing close to 110. That's the good news. Let's take a look at tomorrow. Definitely not close to 110. We'll be close to 100 into the afternoon. I think upper 90s probably the most likely scenario. I've got us at 98. Very similar to what we saw here today. So that's bearable. Better chance of hitting triple digits on Thursday. And then Friday, it takes us up to 104, and so far 105 is the hottest day of the year. So Friday is going to rival our hottest weather so far, and then we're going to carry triple digits through early next week. So likely looking at another heat wave breaking out here in Kern County. It's July though, that's nothing out of the ordinary. The Kern River Valley, pretty hot too. Temperatures right around 100 starting on Friday and actually going all the way through early next week. Even mountain areas are going to be right around 90. Desert areas, widespread heat of at least 105, but as we just showed you, high temperatures in the Indian Wells Valley close to 110.